Today, working on my brother's Toyota T100. Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Tuned in Washington. We're here at a different location today. This is actually my brother's house. It's his birthday today. We're going to be working on his Toyota T100. This is a 1996 that he just picked up. He's going to do junk removal. So we're going to make it look good. Since it's a 1996, it's got the updated 3.4 liter V6. This is the 5V ZFE, also found in Tacomas of this generation, as well as the 3rd gen 4Runner. Some Tundras also used it, believe it or not. This one's got a hot air intake. We're gonna see if we can source the original air box. Looks like the valve cover gaskets are looking pretty good. No leaks there. Unknown timing belt history. The battery's just bungee cord, or it's just strapped in there. There's no tie down. Radiator looks fairly new. It's got these just awful Boss wheels on there right now. They're, I believe, 20-inch wheels with just some summer tires. Definitely not something you want to be rocking when you're building a truck. There's a fair amount of body damage on this side. There's bondoed, so we're gonna get that fixed as well. Overall, the truck's pretty clean. He actually got it for $2K, so not too bad. Show you guys the interior. Missing the dimmer, missing the inner door handle cover trim piece. Cup holder just falls out. The knobs are all missing for the climate control. That's a little loose. Looks like it's just super glued in there. The radio bezel is cracked, so we're gonna get a new one. There is one tear here in the middle bench seat, but overall, the truck's pretty clean actually for $2,000 in a 1996. It is a rebuilt title, and it has about 300,000 miles on it. We're gonna restore both the interior and exterior for him today. So for the wheels, we went with the Motegi trail lights. This is a 17 by 8.5 plus 18 offset. You can see it's got the Toyota and Chevy 6-lug pattern. This is a 6 by 139.7. Running some Michelin all seasons 265 6517. It's going to replace those Boss wheels that just look awful. So we're going to install them right now. Make sure you torque your wheels. Alright guys, so the truck's looking fantastic with the new Motegi trail light wheels, as you can see. Way better. Great stance. The offset's just perfect. So they pretty much line up with the fenders front and back. It's a little more sunken in the front, but not bad. We can run a spacer. For the old wheels, we're gonna go ahead and list them up on Marketplace. And let's go ahead and dive into the interior. This is everything I bought my brother for his T100. We have a brand new cup holder, working clock, the missing climate control knobs. We got the clear style front indicators with new screws as well as new bulbs. We're gonna replace the missing hinge on the driver's side. I'm just gonna do both of them. We're gonna put in the H4 LED bulbs that are way brighter than the halogens, and then finally we're gonna round it off with the Toyota decal in silver. First up, the easiest one. This one should just snap into place. And she does. We now have a working cup holder. Out with the old cup holder. Next mod's fairly easy. I have the brand new climate control knobs here. This truck was missing 3 out of the 4, so I went ahead and just bought brand new ones. And it's just a matter of reinstalling them and pushing them in. So there's that. These are aftermarket, so they're not gonna fit like 100% like OEM, but they will work better than nothing. As you can see, we got all 4 functioning climate control knobs now. There it is. So to install these, you actually have to remove the front lens by removing the 2 screws, or else the bulb doesn't fit through the opening in the back. As you can see, you gotta go from the front. So you want to go ahead and get your socket. Lock it in. Install that. Then you can go ahead, take your new amber bulb and install it in its place. Much better. Got both sides dialed in. It's really good. We're now gonna address this broken tailgate. Well, it's not really broken. We only have the right side hinge. We don't have anything on the left side, so it just kind of wobbles down. So we're gonna go fix it right now. Remove this screw first. Tailgate's just gonna fall. It's just a matter of twisting it and pulling it out. Out with the old. Got the new ones here. There's the part number. Make note that the part number is the same, so they're not side specific. Go ahead and install these puppies in. It's just a matter of lining up the top part with that notch and then screwing in that screw into the actual tailgate. New hinges are on. They look fantastic. We're actually being held up by 2 hinges now, not 1. We're making some great progress on the T100. I have some Amazon LED bulbs that I'm going to install right now, show you guys the brightness level difference. I have the hood pop right now. Dive into it. So what you want to do is you want to pull this H4 connector. That's what the T100 has. The OEM bulbs have a locking ring, so you want to loosen that to the left. That pops right off. Ton of space here because there's no factory air box. You then pull out this dust boot, and it's just a matter of pushing this retaining bracket off. New bolts look pretty crazy. They have some chips on there as well as a heat sink to help keep it cool. They do run a little on the hot side. I don't believe we're going to be able to run the dust boot after this. Unfortunately, we should be able to do the locking ring still. So we'll just go ahead and line it back up. Goes in there. Just want to go ahead and put in the locking ring. The trick is, since the heat sink is big, you want to go ahead and remove the locking bracket. A lot of these you can just go ahead and remove that plastic bracket, and then you want to go ahead and install it first. That way you can go ahead and just unlock the mechanism. And now you can just go ahead and insert the headlight bulb. Should just twist in. There you go. Way brighter. Last but not least, we went ahead and installed the Toyota rear decal in silver. All right, the T100 is looking sick, especially with the new decal. We're wrapping it up for today. Happy birthday to my brother, Kyle. Hope you enjoy your new truck, especially with this new wheel and tire setup. It makes me want to get a T100 now. Remember to comment, rate, and subscribe. It really helps us out and boosts us in the algorithm. Hope you guys have a good rest of your day. Catch you guys on the next video.